Hello everyone. No wait. Sorry guys. Oh wait. Hello everyone. I'm Jackson. Welcome back to another video where today I have an unboxing from Amazon.com. So, I think I know what's in here. Not 100% sure, but just open it and check it out. So, this package took about a week to get here, which is really fast shipping. So, here it is. Wow, quite the packaging. Not that it's a lot, but let's open this. Again, I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. A Yulong box. Okay, this is the box. So, I think I see it. Here's the box. I don't really care much about the box. So we've got this new pamphlet. Wow. Quite the design. And here is the puzzle itself. Wow. Let's check out first turns. Wow, it's really smooth. It's kind of dry, but really smooth. Feels like a Yulong. I really like this puzzle. And I know the corners can flip like that. Watch this. Corners can if you get this, they can, it's hard, but if you get it correctly, they can flip, which is really cool. Nothing cares about that. So, now, let's lower the camera a bit. Let's do a solve. I mean, I'm excited to test out this, so. Okay. Now, nobody has ever called me the fastest Rubik's Cube solver, but I'm okay, I think. Let's see, blue, orange. Okay. Wow, it's kind of hard to recognize the colors, but I guess it's not too bad. Okay. This is an epic puzzle. I love this puzzle. It's amazing already. Okay, first layer done. Now I can move on. Okay, this is hard to recognize. I guess it's not too bad, but it's a really good puzzle. I would definitely recommend this. You can get it at Amazon.com, which it's really cheap. It's like a couple dollars. It's for me it was about $4 to $5. It does lock up a bit, but I think I can get better averages on this thing. It's faster than my Rubik's brand. My Rubik's brand isn't the best. I think I can make way better averages on this thing. And, it's not the best thing in the entire universe, but. Okay, this is hard to recognize the colors. I know, I'm pretty bad at this, right? Alright, I'm solving. Whoa, it is raining hard. Don't know if you can see that. I don't know if this is F2L, PLL. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just, so, corners can flip, which is epic. My other one can't do that. It's really nice. It's fast. Let's see if it can do 180. 180. About 180. And yeah, it feels like a random stickerless Yulong. I really like this puzzle. Corner cutting, awesome. Reverse, wait, let's see corner cutting. Okay, it can do 45. It can go, let's see, go over 45. It can go over 45. I wonder how hard it is to take the piece out. I'm not going to try, because corner cutting is amazing. Reverse corner cutting, amazing. Okay. So, yeah, that was about it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.